Let's have some fun.
We're back at the mountain, and this time it's a big one. It's round 4 of the New South Wales Hillclimb Championship. It's the biggest event on the local calendar, and the field reflects that. We've got cars ranging from small hatchbacks like my Swift to what can only be described as a supercar, in my opinion. This massive Corvette Stingray, it's so awesome. The ground's wet and the cars are ready, and I've absolutely no idea how today's going to go. Welcome to Swift Street. We're back at Mount Cooperabung for another day of hill climb racing. It's round 4 of the New South Wales Hillclimb Championship. Now, I'm not entered in the championship, but I'm entered in for the race today. Going to be a good day, hopefully. We had practice yesterday, which you saw in the last video, where I was testing out my camber kit. Had some pretty decent results given the weather conditions. Yeah, hopefully it should be a good day. Massive field here today, over 30 cars. It's definitely one of the biggest fields I've seen here. It's rained overnight, which has left things a bit slippery up on track, so it's going to be an interesting day. Screw engineering's done and the driver briefing's over. Now it's time for racing. Let's go. First run of the day, and the track's still pretty damp. I ran a 39.1. There's a light breeze coming through, which might dry things out a bit later. Hopefully the conditions start to improve. Let's see how we go for run 2. This is more like it. The track's really starting to dry out now. I ran a 37.3, right on par with yesterday's times in practice. The car's feeling good, I'm feeling good. I think there's more in it if conditions continue to improve. The track's in great shape now, and I'm starting to feel really comfortable with the car. Time's dropped again. I ran a 36.9, close to the fastest time I've run at this track. I think there's something in it. And then the rain came. I'm lining up for the 4th run. I could hear time starting to slow as the other drivers came through. When my turn came, I didn't push. I still had to drive home after all. down. The fourth run was just about getting through it cleanly and bringing the car home in one piece, which we did. No dramas, no off-track moments, just a steady run to finish the day. After that run, I drove back to the pit, I packed up my gear, and I headed on up to the presentation area to support the other drivers. Now I'm kicking myself that I didn't have a camber on me at the time, but I actually won my class. I had no idea it was coming, and I'm still not sure it's fully sunk in yet. Yeah, I took out the class for the day, thanks to this little Swift. Hopefully it's the first of many. So I guess I'm going to have to build a shelf now. Better brush up on those carpentry skills. Anyway, that's it for this one. My name's Josh, this is Swift Street, and thank you for watching. I won a frickin' trophy.